Oh, it's hot. What's up, guys? First thing I want to say is thanks. Got 2,000 subscribers, and I set that as a goal of mine. And when I set it as a goal, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get it done, because goals make everything a lot easier. You set goals, you have, you know, things you want to get done, and you make it your job to get it done, and it keeps you motivated, keeps you going, and it's fun, it's entertaining. So I got 1,000 subscribers. Now I gotta make my next goal. So I just want to say thanks, and now I'm gonna cut to the video. Alright, what's up, guys? So last thing I did, I made a video on my car with the coilovers on it, and bad idea, so I took those off. So what I did was I put the H&R springs on it that everybody uses. It's pretty popular, so I went ahead and used them, because to be honest with you, you don't need coilovers on these cars. They're way too low from the factory to put coilovers on them, because you're going to be scraping everywhere, and it is not worth it one bit. So here's what a filthy Scat Pack with H&R springs looks like. Yeah, I need to get it washed. So that's what it is. So they handle good, and you get just enough ground clearance to be able to drive it on the street. So just a quick look. This is what they look like one more time. So just enough ground clearance. I don't rub, nothing going on up there. They look good. You know, it's a little bit dropped from the stock, but nothing crazy. So, but it's a good look on the car overall. Boom, there we go. Photo shoot time. So yeah, I was having trouble with my my other coilovers, because I was just so low to the ground that I would scrape and everything. So I went to H&R, because everybody said it was they're good handling, and it's a good look, and it's a good ride height. So I think I'm raised up like another inch now from what I was on my coilovers. I made another video on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to it probably right here. So anyways, the H&R springs handle really good. It's not a race car or anything, but they have good ground clearance. You can drive them on the street. It's no issue whatsoever, and they look good. So that's what I wanted. Obviously, I'm not taking it to the racetrack. If you are, I think that's a bad idea to do in a new car, but if you want to do it, go for it. If you have the money to do it, go for it. But yeah, they have a good look. They have good handling, easy to install, just springs, is cheap. Do it. Just do it. I would just recommend doing springs. I think that's all you need. It's nothing too crazy. You don't have to worry about anything. You just put them on and you're good to go. Coilovers is a lot more work. It's you know, you put them on, you got to adjust them, you got to do this, that, and the other. I just think springs are the way to go. I've done springs and shocks on one car, and now I've done coilovers, and I went back to springs. So I think it's definitely a better idea, and I would highly recommend it. Plus, when I pull up to the gym, it makes me look a little bit bigger too, so I need that. But if you have any questions, comments, anything, let me know. Put them in the description, put them in the comment section. I guess that's what that's for. Anyways, that's it. Thanks again for 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. It really does. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and let me know what you want to see, because I'm going to be making it happen. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again. See ya.